Hello guys and welcome back to yet another edition of Sunday Aseda. Congratulations on last week 40. Only banker 40 played. Banker carriers, congratulations to you on this one. Yesterday, national, we did not even have one from national. Too bad. Today promises to be a better day. But in case this is the first time you're coming across this channel, welcome to my wonderful YouTube channel. Your surest plug when it comes to online Ghana Lotto forecast. If this is the reason you're online today, then you found the right place. Please consider clicking on the subscribe button. Like this video. Most importantly, tell me what you say in the comment section. I have a very powerful key on board, but let's treat the plan that gave us 40 and played to position. On Monday specials board at event number 252, 40 play in last ball machine. The following week 41 in last ball winning. The following week 82 in first ball winning. And on Sunday Aseda's board at event number 141, 40 play in last ball machine. The following week 41 to play in last ball winning. The following week 82 will play in first ball winning. After setting these three numbers to position, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 85 will play center ball machine. 6th week 55 will play second ball machine. On the current Sunday Aseda, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 85 to play center ball machine. The following week 55 would maintain position, second ball machine. From 55 in position 1, 2, 3, 4, expect 56 to play to second ball winning. 4 weeks from 55 in position. 1, 2, 3, 4 weeks. 56 maintained position. After 56 maintained position, after 56 plays to position, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 weeks down, 32 to play in first ball machine. The following week 76 to play in second ball machine. And on the compare, from 56 in position, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 32 will play first ball machine, and the following week 76 will play to second ball machine. After these two numbers maintain position, 1, 2, 3 weeks, 82 in position here, first ball to turn to position. And on Sunday Aseda, after these two numbers maintain position, 1, 2, 3 weeks down, 82 in position, first ball to turn to first ball, 28 if it turns. After it turns to position here, 23 weeks on this one from 28 in position. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, and 23 weeks down, Swingle to play in position. Right on the compare, the one on Monday special as well. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23 weeks down here, single 2 would maintain position. Now, after single 2 had played to position, it's telling us to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 54 to play fourth ball winning. From single 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 54 will maintain position. Now, after 54 had maintained position here, it's telling us 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 88 will play position. 1, 2, 3, 17, and 16 to play position. On the current year, from 54 in position, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 weeks down, 88 to play position. 1, 2, 3, expect 17 to play with 16, both in position. Now, after dropping these two to position, my banker last week 40, the two direct 40, 34, 40 played winning, 34 played to machine. Last week 40 played to winning, 34 played to machine. How did we discover 40? It's super easy. It started the game here with 40. It said 40 would counter to position. Last week it said 40 would jump to position, or 85 to counter to position. Now, what is the next free banker here today? 37. 82 turned from position to position. 82 should counter back to 37. 82 is going to counter today. Don't forget, 82 supplied 28 to position. Again, it supplied 88 to position. Don't forget, 82 again supplied 17 to position. Free banker 82 is to counter today. One free banker is 37. Now, this is the strongest banker in this game. 37. 17 will supply us single 3 and 16 will supply 83. The banker I'm picking out here is 37. 37. 37. 37. So keep in mind 37, the free banker I'm picking from here to play with just single 3. And the 3 numbers I'm picking out from here, I'm not dropping the 05, I'm picking just 3. Single 3, 83, 37. With my banker as 37. So thank you for watching this video. If you find value in it, smash the like button so that we can keep posting. Last week we didn't get enough engagement for national. We were not able to post Sunday Aseda. If you didn't give us enough like, comments, subscription today as well, we might not be able to post Monday special. Keep in mind, 37 is a free banker. Banker carriers, 37 is a free banker. I have another key on the WhatsApp side because I don't have a VIP section. There is no paid version. If anybody tell you from me is asking you for money, it's a lie. It's win and reward. So on my WhatsApp version, keep in mind 37 is a banker. We have another banker to discuss on that one. So thank you for coming to watch this channel. But in case you're here, you're new, you don't have the WhatsApp, if you're chatting from outside Nigeria, plus 23470107314 is the number to dial. If you're chatting from Nigeria, 0701007314.